This piece is called for while. It is site-specific and depends upon the capacity of a given room. In this iteration, we have 3 light fixtures. The genesis of this piece was the carry-on effect of a seismic activity that occurred over 1,000 miles away from a seat I was sitting at in New York City. I saw an array of 8-foot light fixtures above me move in unison. They appeared to move artificially, yet were set into motion completely because of nature's great hand. I am okay if my piece goes unnoticed. I want it to be like a natural phenomenon, and like observing the clouds or shape of the moon, not everyone is always tuned in to these type of things all the time. A variable's condition must be met for the loop to continue. This said, if the condition is met, and one does let the piece take over, if they don't explain it away, or if they permit their mind to get out of the way, then I hope they will find it rewarding. Maybe they will meditate. Maybe they'll find something significant within the insignificant. Maybe they will see something be so artificial as to be natural, or vice versa.